on my repo. Here's my bike. Hey guys, it's me here for one, doing my first event. I don't know how to get the key for this guy. You know, like, you got this. Yeah, if you already know how to get the mystery, whatever. Okay, that is fire, water, eyes. I think that's flying, I can't tell. What the heck is he supposed to be, grass or something? Destroying destructions of the grass. I brought freaking weak Pokemon. I brought my Torterra, which is like overkill. Just because it's gonna stand to that Rotom. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I had to delete one of my freaking videos. Because guess what? Today, I couldn't be able to upload. I had to delete one of my videos were Animal Crossing Part 2 to episode 18. Well, I hope that part was not really important. I hope that was not really important. Sorry, people, but I just want to do this now. Like, you know those times. Oh, freaking. By the way, Rotom is a electric ghost Pokemon. I don't get it. Why is he ghost? Like, cause he can go through this crappy. You only can get him at night. Click on it with A. Inside there appears to be a Pokemon. Pokemon appears as if it will come out. Want TV? TV. Set. Back. I did not know I could actually do this. So, guys, it's actually my first event. So don't blame me. I thought that the Peachy color and Peachy thick would be my first event. See, that's overkill. 55. By the way, none of these guys are my teammates. None of them. Except for Torterra. He's my teammate. We'll match with Ghost. With Ghost. He's electricity. This is gonna be fun. A battle I thought I would never do. I wonder how I can do the Arceus and the Shaman and all the others. Confusion. Confusion. Okay. I don't care if this isn't upload today. I just want to do this. Okay. Sorry for folks that likes my Animal Crossing series. I'm just sorry. Okay. I had to do it, even though it was stupid. Oh, he's going down the ring. Gosh. Yeah, Pokemon. I will show this. I will show the gym. If I could kick this one freaking guy's butt before I get my butt kicked. Wait, I thought I brought an unknown that was a level 20. Maybe I brought something that was very close to it. Level 17, really bad match. Okay, sorry. So far the wow, Rotom is stinking. He's a legendary Pokemon. And I'm gonna capture him. He's gonna be my first event and legendary Pokemon. Well, I'm about to catch him now. Hit. Hit the Rotom. Hit the Rotom. Yes. Okay, I think it's about time to capture this Rotom. We almost hit. Where's my dog? Okay. Let's see. I think I'll use my Duck's Ball if I have to. Get in the Duck's Ball. Suck you. Yes, it doesn't affect. Because it's a normal move. Let's go down. I think I'll just use my quick ball and make it easier. Suck this guy. Suck him. Still legendary all, but he is. Actually, yes, I'm right. This actually is. He actually is a grass, but in the motor form. Okay. If this one works, I know what I can use. PK Fire. I will use my Ultra Ball. Suck it. What is up with this Pokemon? Do I have to hit it again or something? I'm already up to 6 minutes, my gosh. I can't believe this thing got me up to 6 minutes so far. I'm gonna hit one more time. That's it. If it actually faints, I am gonna be mad. Suck you, Pokemon. Oh no. Wow. Onom's first battle. Well, he's not gonna fight the Pokemon. He's gonna just sit there and get his butt kicked. Really? Well, I'm gonna get my pen out. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make it easier. Okay, I'm gonna use my Pyramid Ball. And my Pikachu. Yay! This Pokemon is being a freaking annoying. I'm already 7 minutes. I'm just gonna like show the parts where I'm just gonna throw Pokeballs and stuff. I'm just gonna show that part. I'm not gonna show the part where I'm getting my butt kicked. Okay. Sorry now. I'll let you know when I cut it off. I'll say cut it off. Yes! Rotom was captured. Now he's electric ghost Pokemon. I don't know why he's a ghost. Well, actually, I do get why he's actually a ghost. Oh, he's in mine. Well, my first event, I thought it was not going to be my first event, because I actually thought, there was this other event of the color Pikachu and Pichu thing. I thought that was going to be my first event. TV has it. And what do? I still want to know how to get the key. Okay, is there supposed to be a room where I'm supposed to get like all the other forms? Wait, I forgot. Where? Oh, I thought I was clicking B. Sorry. Oh my gosh. There's something weird about this. What the heck? Oh yeah. Nope, I have nothing. Looks like this is not going to be a gym battle in this episode at all. I'm going to cut it off and see if I find this room where you're supposed to get the forms. Hold on. If I can't find the rooms where you get the forms, just, can you like show me something? So I want to know. I only know where I'm even supposed to go to get the forms. If I knew where to get my forms of a room Tom. Oh no, my repel is off. Max repels rock, but I only have 3 now because I just used one to get my 4th off. Where the heck am I supposed to go? Okay, someone can tell me where to find the freaking forums while I just go back. Yeah, there's Gastly's here. Like, I don't freaking care about Gastly's. Okay, they're just really annoying ghost Pokemon. If anything weird happens around since you caught that Pokemon, let me know. I could have caught that thing since like day one for when I first got here. I could have done that. I actually had to ditch my... Yes, he's not going to be there, but yeah. By the way, can you tell me where I could get the Arceus and, yeah, the Shaman and the Regigigas so I could get all the other Regis? Someone please tell me how, like, where am I supposed to go to do those events? Well, see you guys later.